You can create a collaborative whiteboard experience for students using a presentation deck. Did you know that? It's pretty amazing. Let me show you how. You're first going to open up your presentation deck. So I'm going to go ahead and click presentations. I'm just going to do a 16 by 9 normal presentation dimension size. And here I am in a presentation deck on my first page. Now, let's say in my class, I have 6 groups of students. Maybe I have 6 groups of maybe 3 or 4 students. So I want every student to be in the same link, but I want students to be on different pages. I can go here to my tile here at the bottom and I can duplicate. So I'm going to create 6 different pages. So now each one of my groups has a different page. But you might be thinking, well, that's great, but this is a presentation deck. This isn't a whiteboard. Let me show you how you can, with a click of a button, make each of these pages a collaborative whiteboard. I'm going to go to these 3 little dots right here, and I am simply going to click on expand to whiteboard, and look what happens. Now this is a whiteboard. I click to the second page, expand to whiteboard. So I'm able to expand each of these pages into a whiteboard for my students to collaborate. So now on the top here, I might just add page that maybe this is team 1, right? And maybe I, on my second page, add team 2, etc. So now every student has their own page to work with. Now I can create a collaborative activity for them to do. So let's say I go into my elements here and I go into grids. I can create a backdrop where maybe I want each team to share what they know and what they wonder. So I'm going to go ahead and, using my color option, I'm going to make this side kind of a gradient aqua and yellow, and I'm going to make this side a gradient orange and yellow. And I'm going to add a text box to the side, each side. So on this side, I'm just going to add my team 2 up here. So up here, I'm going to write, what do you know? And on this side, I'm going to add, what do you wonder? Now I can lock all of this in place. I'm going to take my cursor, drag it over all of it, and click lock. So now this is locked in place and students can't move it. So now what students can do is they can go into their elements and they can click on sticky notes and they can type in what they know and they can type in what they wonder. Notice that their names are already going to be attached on the bottom of this sticky note. I also am going to be able to click S on my keyboard and a sticky note is going to automatically appear. So now I've created this collaborative activity. Each group is going to be on a different page. I can even, if I want to, just delete all of these other pages. I'm going to show you an easy way to do this. And now I can go and I can just duplicate. So now I have 6 pages, all with everything on it. So I don't have to recreate the same thing for each page. I can simply just duplicate, and now I have one link, 6 pages where everybody's going to be able to share on their own page. Note that if I go up to the top and click share, open up my access to either my school team or anyone with a link, now I can make sure this is on Can Edit. I copy that link, I share it in my learning management system or wherever I share links. And now every student is going to be able to get into this to be able to collaborate and share what they know. And how fast was that for me to be able to put together? So I hope you have fun using collaborative whiteboards in your classroom in Canva for Education this year.